Hello, old friend. So what's going on? I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've uploaded on this channel, and I want to do a few things in this video. One, I'm going to show you exactly what my portfolio looks like right now. The market hasn't been great to high tech, high growth stocks, and I want to share with you exactly where I stand, full transparency, and update you on that because, a lot of us silly YouTubers put up these portfolio performance videos when everything is going swimmingly. Not a lot of us do it, or some people don't do it at all, but not a lot of us do it when things have gone down. So I want to share with you exactly what my portfolio looks like right now after kind of the correction that we've seen in a lot of these high growth names. I also want to explain, the content on this channel, where I see it going, what I'm experimenting with, and then I have a couple of huge announcements to make for all of you that I'm very, very excited about. And then I want to say an official thank you for actually helping us reach 100,000 subscribers on this channel, which is just, it's absolutely mind-boggling, and I'm so grateful for all of it. And I want to say officially thank you guys, but that'll be towards the end of the video. So let's do it. So before we get into the portfolio reveal and we talk about the announcements, I want to talk about kind of comments like this where it says the market stops, the uploads stop, or kind of like this comments that say a lot of these growth investors have been quiet on YouTube lately. And yeah, I understand the internet is a wild, wild west. Anyone can comment anything, and I appreciate every comment, good or bad. But I generally think that these comments kind of do deserve an explanation from my end. And I would say, yes, the market has not been gangbusters or fireworks for the past couple of weeks. And also in those past couple of weeks, I haven't uploaded a video. And that definitely looks a little bit fishy. But I would say that's actually correlation, not causation. And I'll explain what I mean with this video. So first, my last video I posted was what I'm doing right now when the market is kind of choppy or maybe downtrending for a lot of these stocks. I'm doubling down on myself. I'm doubling down on my research, the stocks I'm holding, the stocks I'm looking into. And I said everyone else should do that too. That's the big opportunity here. Do the work while the work is not cool. And then when it is cool again, you'll be really prepared. The reason I didn't make another video like that is because every time I make a video, I want to make sure I'm adding value to the conversation overall. And I don't want to just repeat the same message as I've said in a previous video. Maybe that is something that you guys would want me to do, and if it is, let me know in the comments below. But I kind of felt like I said my piece, and now I can kind of move on to another video. So then when it goes to the next video, usually my videos are super highly researched, in-depth content on different stocks that I'm investing in. I don't want to just recycle content. So now when I'm looking for different opportunities in the market, I'm being highly selective, which means that the picks that I bring you are hopefully going to be really quality, but it also means the posting frequency might slow down a bit. So I'm still figuring out as a content creator how to fill those gaps between those stock picks that I think are really great. And I also just want to make sure that the content I'm posting, I'm proud of. I don't want to cause panic in retail investors. That's not what I'm here to do. So that's why I don't do stock market crash videos every other day. And also, you'll see if you go back a couple of months, you'll see I stopped doing best stocks to buy now videos and started doing best stocks to watch videos because I was like, a lot of these stocks are kind of overvalued. They're not actually stocks that I genuinely think are best stocks to buy now, right? Imagine if I said February best stocks to buy now, named a bunch of the high growth stocks that I like but aren't at a good value, and then the tech correction comes. And then a lot of these stocks that I claimed were best buys are actually, very overvalued and they got exposed for it, right? So I want to make sure I'm always proud of the content I'm making. I actually just scrapped a video a few days ago that I spent a few hours on, and because I wasn't proud of it, it wasn't my best work. So that's kind of why, one reason why I haven't posted in a couple of weeks. But one huge reason is because of these two projects I've been working on in the background, and I'm very excited to bring them to you here today. So the first one isn't super relevant for everybody. Basically, the investor community, which is our private Discord group, we're moving from Patreon to a custom solution, much better for everyone involved. But the second project is the big announcement. So for investor community, we have decided to launch live mentor sessions. And the reason why I want to prioritize this now is because in my last video, I said now's the time to double down on your research, your skill set, and I got to back up what I say. I have to make sure people know I mean what I say when I say it. So what are these live mentor sessions? So as you can see here, we have our mentor, Nick, and he's actually leading a live Zoom call with over 100 people at one point from our group, learning the basics of fundamental analysis, specifically how to build out an income statement on your own, how to make projections, make analysis, and also compare it to other companies, make valuations. and he did a whole live example. It was really, really great. People asked questions in the chat and everything. I think it was really valuable. And I'm not here to say,
oh yeah, by the way, click the link in the description below to join this group.
Right? I'm not here to say that. Also, the link in the description probably doesn't work because it's not even open right now. The reason I want to share this with you here on YouTube, despite this being kind of something for the group, is because this is a huge step in the right direction. At the end of the day, YouTube is a platform on which I'm on a mission to actually make myself obsolete. And what does that mean? Because it sounds kind of weird, right? My goal is that everyone watching these videos someday will no longer need me to help with research or building conviction or finding new companies, right? I'm still going to try and be here, but eventually I want everyone to be able to unlock the power of investing in financial independence, whether that's through learning from the videos that I make or other finance creators make, or attending things like these live mentor sessions. And that's why I think it's a huge step in the right direction. And I'm also going to try my best. I don't know how yet, but potentially adapt some parts of these sessions or this mentor program that we're building out and bring that to YouTube so that it's also accessible to more people beyond the group, right? Because this mission is, hopefully going to be able to touch tens of thousands of people, right? So that's why I'm so excited to announce this, and I'm really excited to see where it heads in the future. All right, and now the part you're probably all waiting for, the portfolio reveal. What does my gain loss look like nowadays? Let's take a look. So as you can see, we're up about 45% overall. This does not include gains that have already been taken on other positions. But yeah, so right now we have one position in the red. We've got Zora down about 7% for us, and that's just because of timing. I decided to start buying into this company actually right before the kind of tech correction that we had. I'm going to be holding this for a few years, so I'm really not worried about that. This is just presenting me more time to do research on the company and accumulate more shares and build my conviction. So I have averaged down on it a little bit. That's our main red position right now. We've got TTCF and Teladoc kind of close to that break-even range. Teladoc, that one has a pretty ugly chart right now. And I actually think that the market is not really giving it the credit it deserves, right? That merger with Livongo was tough. It did affect their financials in a major way, but I think as a business, they are so much stronger than they were before pre-merger. I was a shareholder in Livongo prior to the merger, and I would have liked them to, stay independent from Teladoc, but as a company now, I think they are stronger than ever. And then we still have, some big winners for us. We've got Upwork, Celsius, Maxer, Neo. A lot of these guys still up pretty big. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. I just wanted to share this with you guys because this kind of goes back to the goal of this channel, right? Is long-term investing as well. I'm not someone who's going to try and build this channel off of hype. I'm not someone who's going to buy the next shiny stock, right? I might not be bringing you guys a new exciting pick every single week, but that's because all of my picks, I want to make sure they're super high quality before I bring them to you. And these are picks I'm going to be holding for the next 3 to 5 years. So, if it's a stock that I plan to hold for the next 3 to 5 years, I better make sure I do my due diligence on that stock. And, I'm not going to be gone if the market ever goes sideways, or if the market, ever goes into a bear market. I don't think I'm going to disappear because I'm here for the long haul. I'm here not to ride any sort of wave. I'm here to share my investing journey with all of you and hopefully share the lessons I learn with all of you along the way. And that's what this channel is for. So I hope you guys appreciate this video and this kind of update. Again, thank you guys so much for getting us to 100,000 subscribers. Absolutely insane. I look forward to evolving as a content creator and also evolving the group that we have over at Investor Community, and eventually being able to develop people who can just breeze through financial statements, challenge me on my bullish and bearish theses, and help each other build a stronger and stronger thesis in different stocks, and get a network of 50 plus mentors out there. So if you're someone who really wants to share your passion for investing and has a lot of knowledge or experience, please feel free to reach out. You can message me on Instagram. You can leave a comment. I read all the comments in all of these videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for 100,000. Also, let me know if you want me to cover more current events, more surface level stuff, because that will allow me to post more. Hope you guys appreciate the video. If you're watching at this point in the video, if you're watching at this point in the video, you are the real MVP. Don't forget your peace and thank yous.